Solid example, page number 143. Following table show the distribution of 60 public transport buses in a day. Find the median of the distance. You have to find out the median of the distance. Means the 4 buses daily distance traveled by the 4 buses is to in between 400 kilometers to 209 kilometers. So 200 kilometers to 209 kilometers. 14 buses travel the distance, daily distance in kilometers, 210 kilometers to 219 kilometers. 26 buses daily distance travel is 220 to 229 kilometers, and 10 buses travel the distance in between 230 kilometer to 239 kilometer, and 6 buses daily travel the distance in between 240 to 249 kilometers. So you have to find out the median of the distance. If you want to find out the median of the distance, you have to prepare the class frequency and the cumulative frequency. But if you will observe, you have to write the class 200 to 209, 210 to 219, 222, 229, 232, 239, 242, 239. But if you will observe, these classes are not continuous. Continuous classes means if this class will end with the 209, at that time this class has to start with the 209. But if this class will start with the end with the 209, at that time this class will start with the 210. So for such a type of example, here also if you will observe, this class will end with 229, but this class will start with the 230. This class will not start with the 229. Such a conditions, you have to make this class continuous. How you have to make the class continuous, that you have to see. This is the lower limit of the class, this is the upper limit of the class. So if you want to make the continuous classes, class continuous at that time, continuous classes at that time, what you have to do, from the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5, and from the upper for the upper limit you have to add the 0.5. Again I will say, to make the continuous classes in lower limit, from the lower limit you have to subtract the 0.5, and to the upper limit you have to add 0.5. Again I will say, to make the class continuous, from the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5, and in the upper limit you have to add 0.5. At that time this continuous class becomes, if you will subtract the 0.5 at that time, this becomes 199.5 to what will come, 209.5, and this will come, you have to subtract 0.5 at that time, 209.5 to 219.5, and this becomes 219.5 to 229.5, because here you have to subtract 0.5 at that time. From 220, if you will subtract the 0.5 at that time, this becomes 219.5, and if you will add 0.5 at that time, this becomes 229.5, and here this becomes 229.5 to 239.5, and this 240 to 39.5 to 249.5. Like this you have to make the classes continuous. Then you have to write the frequency. This frequency is 4, 14, 26, 10 and 6. Means particular classes for frequency you have to put, first class frequency is 4, 14, 6, 26, 10 and 4. Then you have to find out the sum of Fi is equal to n is equal to 60. Then you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Then 4 buses travel the distance. 4 buses travel the distance in between 199.5 to 209.5 kilometers. Then, but in the second, if you want to find out the cumulative frequency of this class, at that time you have to say that the distance is more than 199.5 to less than 219.5 kilometers. How much buses will cover the distance? That time you have to do the 4 plus 14. Otherwise 4 plus 14 is equal to 18. Means more than 199.5 and less than 219.5 daily distance travel in kilometers. How many buses will travel? At that time you have to do the addition. 4 plus 14 plus 26 is equal to 44. Otherwise 18 plus 26 you have to do. Then less than more than 199.5 kilometers to 39.5. How many buses cover the distance in between this lower limit to upper limit? At that time you have to add all these things, otherwise 44 plus 10 you have to do. And for this class also, the more than 199.5 kilometers and less than 249.5 kilometers, how many buses are there to cover this much distance? At that time I will say that you have to add all these things, otherwise you have to add 54 plus 6 is equal to, you have to say 60. From this you have to find out the n is equal to 60, n is equal to sum of your 5. Then n upon 2 you have to find out, n upon 2 is equal to 60 upon 2 is equal to 30. This n upon 30 cumulative frequency, where you will find out for the median class, where you will get the 30 cumulative frequency. At that time here I will say that n upon 2 is equal to 30. So this class is called as the median class. So this class is called as the median class. Median class. This class is called as the median class, but continuous class you have to take. So I will say that this class is called as the median class. Median class. This is the frequency of median class. You will be present this as f, and this one is the cumulative frequency. This one is the cumulative frequency. This one is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class frequency. So this is the cumulative frequency preceding the cumulative frequency of the median class. At that time this one is 18. From that I will say that the which is lies this 30 cumulative frequency, this you will see in this class. So you have to say that this 19.5 to 29.5, this class is called as the median class. This is the lower limit of the median class. L is equal to, I will write here L is equal to 19.5. Then you have to find out the class height. Class height is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, 229.5 minus 219.5. At that time this will come 10. It will do the subtraction. At that time class height will come 10. So L is equal to 219.5. This is the F is the frequency of the median class. I will say that this is the frequency of the median class. This you will represent by F. Then this is the cumulative frequency. Cf is equal to 18 and H is equal to class height is 10. Then median is equal to, you have to write the formula L plus n upon 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. Then you have to put the value L is equal to 19.5. N upon 2 is equal to 30 minus cumulative frequency is equal to 18 upon frequency of the median class is 26 multiplied by height of the class is median class is 10. Then after subtraction this answer will come 12 multiplied by 10. 120 divided by 26 is equal to 4.26. This here as it is you have to write. If you will add at that time our answer will come to 24.12 kilometers. Then therefore you will say that the median of the distance travel is 224.12 kilometers. In this way you have to solve this problem. In this problem some of the differences other than the other problems are, here classes are not continuous because this 200 to 209, this class will not start with the 209. So you have to make this continuous classes. That's why from the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5, to the upper limit you have to add 0.5. Then you have to say that this become 199.5 to 209.5. This I again continue 209.5 to 219.5. This again continue 219.5 to 229.5. In this way you have to continue the classes and you have to solve the example. So write all these things properly in the notebook. Thank you.